Sephora favorites arrived. It's giving nude lip. Merit, this is their new lip liner in Capricorn. Now, I usually don't go too brown. Being cool toned for me, pinky lip color is my nude, but we're gonna see how it goes today. I guess this would be more, what is it, contouring of the lips. And then smudge it out. And it twists up from the bottom. So these are softer a lot of times, but it's harder to keep that point. You have to do this, and this, and this, to make it have a point, and it's a pain. Okay, I know it's Merit, I know Merit's more clean beauty, but, and then it looks like I just had a whole bunch of chocolate, and I don't know how to wipe my face off. You might ask, why did you get the nude lip kit if you're not wild about nude lips? Everything's a gloss except for the liner. We're gonna try the trend, put the lip liner on, and then do the gloss, and oh, it looks so great. Makeup Forever lip gloss in Wherever Walnut. YSL Love Shine lip oil stick in Nude La Varley. Oh yeah, that works. See, that looks good. Lawless, forget the filler line, plumping and smoothing and soothing in Nudie. I've not tried this one. Oh, I like that. That looks pretty. Look how pretty that looks. This is why you try new things. House Lab, the PhD Lip Oil Hybrid in Cocoa. And this one's a full size, and the Merit's a full size, the lip liner. Tarte, the Maracuja Lip Oil in Cinnamon. So you just need to swipe them all on. And finally, Sephora online said this was chai. I was so excited. This is actually one of the reasons I got it, because this is also a full size, but it's not chai. This is sugar glaze. I don't have one of these ones yet, so I figured I'd try it. And like I said, it was supposed to be chai. Oh, that smells good. Chai would have smelled better. Love chai. Anything I can get chai flavored, I get chai flavored. I go to Starbucks just for the chai. But there we go. This is $45. It's $122 value. Yep, I'm glad I got it. And look, 3 full-size products, the House Labs, the Merit, and the Laneige. Samples of the other 4 deluxe sizes. Not really samples. We'll go deluxe sizes. So those will end up in my fanny pack or my bag.